do you have anything to report regarding the progress of the pre-trial and marking?
Yeah, thank you for asking that question. I think we're doing well, on at least on the defense side, and I think even in the prosecution side, but probably best to ask them, no? But we are very optimistic that we will be able to finish by end of day today yung ating pre-marking. Maganda yung naging progress kahapon and even this morning. So at least dun sa marking station ko, the one that I'm handling, I think we will be able to finish by 3-4 p.m. I also consulted my co-counsels sa defense team, and sila din, they're very optimistic, no, na matatapos din nila yung marking, kanya-kanyang marking nila. So, yeah, hopefully matapos talaga. Of course, hindi natin alam kung magkaroon ng complications sa mga documents this afternoon, pero we're very optimistic na matatapos by end of day today. Kung ma-extend man, baka tomorrow, yun na yung latest siguro.
Sir, nakalista si Mary Grace Piatos at si dating Ombudsman, Deputy Ombudsman Karandang as witnesses ng prosecution. Anong implication nun sa inyo and anong gagawin po niya?
Wala naman po. Sa amin naman po, yan naman prerogatiba ng prosecution kung sino yung mga witnesses sila. So definitely if they're presented, we will be ready to cross-examine them.
Pero ano sagot niyo sa BIR box?
We will be filing po, no, yung aming official and formal response doon sa manifestation ng ating mga kasamahan, mga kaibigan sa prosecution. We are planning to file that by tomorrow.
Wala ba sir kung payag?
Matatapos, kung plan nyo matapos today yung pre-trial, ano pa po ang point kung by tomorrow magpa-file doon ng this one?
Well, yun naman po ay hindi naman ang desisyon din po niyan ay sa impeachment court. So if hindi naman wala naman pong nagiging implication na we will file our comment by tomorrow.
Until 7 p.m. pa rin kayo, sir?
Today, I think yes, but we're hoping na na hindi na kailangan umabot sa ganun.
What are the articles left for marking, sir?
Both articles are still there, Articles 1 and 2. But as you know, nagkaroon ng 2 marking stations na. Dalawang groups na yung sa Article 2 and yung sa confidential funds naman, isang araw pa. Naghiwalay-hiwalay na talaga yung mga groups. Marami nang ginawang mga marking stations. So that's why we're optimistic. No? I wouldn't say confident, but at least optimistic na matatapos kami.
Sir, kayo pa rin ba as witness during the trial?
Ako po?
Listed ka ba sir?
Yes, I think the prosecution listed me and I don't have any problems with that. Pwede naman because lalo na kung ang tatanungin naman nila ay matters that are not pertaining to my role as counsel of the Vice President. Wala naman sigurong problema. And if they really wish to call me as a witness, katulad ng ginawa nila sa Committee on Justice, hindi ba? Wala naman tayong problema doon.
And then to clarify sir, the witnesses nila, halimbawa po si Odo Carrera, they can also call that as their witness naman po.
Sino po?
Yung defense or cross-examining.
We can cross-examine them. We can opt to call them also, but it's a pre-trial brief namin. Wala naman kaming sinama na ganong witnesses. But definitely, when they're called as witnesses for the prosecution, the defense will have the right to cross-examine their witnesses.
Pero sir, si Mary Grace Piatos, wala po sa defense.
Wala po sa defense. Ang narinig ko, I think kaninang umaga lang, na banggit daw that part siya ng witnesses ng prosecution. Well, that's the prerogative of the prosecution. And sa amin nga, parati namin sinasabi, once they're presented, they will be subjected to cross-examination on our part.
Anong circumstance haharap si PP sa trial, sir?
Kung kinakailangan, hindi ko pa masabi sa iyo yung exact circumstance. It will be part of the legal strategy, which obviously we will not disclose. But in case kailangan, that will be upon the advice of counsel, which is the defense.
But she's willing, sir, pag kinakailangan.
Well, I don't want a soundbite kasi na she's willing because I'm sure that's what everyone's asking for. No? But pag kinakailangan, bakit naman hindi siya haharap, diba? Kasi parati nating sinasabi na hindi humaharap si Vice President. But what we're doing now is pagharap sa mga alegasyon, hindi ba? What you're pushing for is a physical appearance. But the physical appearance, for example, the pre-trial stage, hindi naman siya kailangan talaga nandito. Ano naman ang gagawin niya dito, diba? Kung nandito man siya. So, ang sa atin, kung dumating yung circumstance na kinakailangan niyang humarap, we will be the ones to advise our client na kailangan niyang humarap. At doon natin malalaman kung haharap siya o hindi. Physically.
Sir, 5 days na yung pre-trial, nakapag-feedback na ba kayo? Nag-usap na kayo ng Vice President sa development dito?
Yes, I talk to the Vice President every day, if not several times a day.
So after ng pre-trial, sir, ano na yung focus ng preparation ng defense team?
Definitely, hintayin natin lumabas yung pre-trial order. Kasi po, pag lumabas po yan, kung sa tingin natin, kinakailangan magbigay ng ating komento, magbibigay po tayo ng ating komento. At after that, syempre, we look forward to trial itself.
Walang rason para ma-delay yung start ng trial from July 6 since matatapos kayo.
That is something for the impeachment court to determine. Kami lang po, we will comply with whatever directive the impeachment court gives or issues.
Sir, you feel BIR back, sir? Can you share with us na yung...
As I said yesterday, we will give our response through an official response that we will be filing tomorrow.
But safe to say, sir, na hindi siya bubuksan today.
Well, that's not up to me, that's up to the impeachment court po. So I will not be the one to answer to that.
Pero hindi po ba kayo parang required yung meron muna kayong sagot before that issue is resolved?
Actually, wala namang utos sa amin na mag-comment, but because nakopy kami sa manifestation, we will also file our position on the matter, which I think the impeachment court would also appreciate.
The impeachment court will rule even if you don't have a comment.
I don't know what the impeachment court will do and will not do. I think that's best directed to the impeachment court. Ang masasagot lang ko po ay yung parte ng defense, at yung defense, ang sinasabi ko lang po ay mag-file kami ng comment by tomorrow. And this has been communicated to Secretary Bantug.
But sorry, as to your knowledge, they can rule even without your
I don't want to say kasi whatever the impeachment court will do, no. I hope you understand, ma'am. That's unfair for me to tell the impeachment court what they can and cannot do.
When yung black po kung papamarkahan nila yung mismong sale box,
Sorry?
kung ipapamark nila yung mismong
Ma'am, I will not answer. I will not preempt talaga po. No, I know you're wanting an answer, but please be patient with us. There are official ways of doing this and formal ways of doing this. Ang gagawin namin, we will file a comment by tomorrow, as I mentioned.
Thank you po, thank
May mga nagsasabi na sa House hearings, may mga nagpapakita na misconduct, pattern of misconduct. Ano po yung sagot ng defense na mapapatunayan yung
Ano pong misconduct sa House hearings?
sa public trust po, internal public trust?
Sorry po sir, hindi ko po masyadong maintindihan yung question. Can you rephrase the question so I can answer you
May
directly?
mga nagsasabi po na sa House hearings, may mga nagpapakita ng pattern ng misconduct. Ano po yung
Ano pong House hearings ang tinutukoy natin, sir?
sa civic?
Well, that's a matter of opinion. That's obviously not our position. So I don't see how that's relevant to the impeachment proceedings as well.
Thank you po, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Sophia?